Hello kids! In this video we will learn some 2D shapes and also the color name. These are our colors. It is pink color, red color, orange color, light green color. It is peach color. It is violet color. It is black color. It is brown color. Sky blue color. Purple color. Fluorescent yellow color. Green color. It is blue color. Kids, let us draw these shapes. It is green color. Equilateral triangle. It is square. It is circle. It is hexagon. It is five-pointed star. It is pentagon. Kids, let us color these shapes. It is blue color. It is equilateral triangle. It has three sides. 1, 2, 3. Three sides. It is pink color. It is square. It has four sides. It is green color. It is circle. It has no side. It is red color. It is hexagon. It has six sides. It is fluorescent yellow color. It is five-pointed star. It is black color. It is pentagon and it has five sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Five sides. Kids, let us recall the shape's name and color name once again. It is equilateral triangle, blue color, square, pink color, circle, green color, hexagon red color, 5-pointed star, fluorescent yellow color, octagon black color. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and keep learning. Bye bye.